Okay, this one's from Mark and Becky. Okay, there you go. Wonder what it is. Can you open it? Wow, who's on that wrapping paper? Right. What is it? Whoa, what is it? What is it? What is it? Good job. Hey, would Daddy help you? Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Can you open it?
Okay.
Can you open? Can you open?
Yeah, I can open it. Hold on. Oh man. It's taped up forever. It's super taped. Aunt Becky really made sure it was in there. Good.
Yeah.
Okay. I think we're just about there. One more piece. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Oh, open it up. What is it? No way!
It's a firefly.
It is?
Up, ladybug.
Oh, I thought you wanted one of those, didn't you? Oh, yay! Awesome! Do you want to get out of there? Here. Okay.
It's a bug. It's a butterfly.
It is? Can you undo it? Let me see. What kind is it? Oh wow, do you like it? Do you like it? Awesome. Wowee. Uh-oh. That's all right, I'll fix it. Can you say, thank you, Mark and Becky? I love you. Okay, say bye-bye.